Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So alhamdulillah, we've got another perfume which we're going to be unboxing today, which is the Laboratorio Olfattivo, I think is how you pronounce it, which is quite a niche perfume. We got this from quite a niche store in London, in Covent Garden. Let's have a quick unboxing of this. I'm just going to take this off. So it's a unisex perfume which was released in 2021, and it was actually created by the legendary perfumer Dominique Repion. Let's get these side things off. So it's part of the brand's something called Masters collection, and is widely known as a sophisticated for its vanilla fragrance. Rather than just it's like a deserty style, but it's very famous for its vanilla. A lot of people have actually said it's very unique how mature the vanilla smells. So let's have a quick look. Let's get this out of the box. So it's quite a... There we go. Let's just put that on the side there. So just on first, obviously it's quite tightly packed. It's got a foam over here which feels quite nice, so very nicely packaged. I'm going to take it out of this box. So apparently what they say is, before I spray it, obviously it says built around its high quality bourbon vanilla. It's got some sort of CO2 extract inside there. People say that it's meant to have some saffron, tonka bean notes to it as well. But let's get this off. I like the bottle. It seems very masculine. Although it's a unisex perfume, it comes across quite masculine. Let's get this sprayed. So straight away you can smell the vanilla. So now reading from what it's meant to be, it says that it's the top notes are saffron, pineapple, and pineapple accord, and you can definitely smell that little bit of saffron and pineapple there. And then the base notes are bourbon, vanilla, and musk. So very, very good. And you can smell a little bit of smokiness to the vanilla. It's got a incense-filled air, like when a candle is blown out. So that's basically how it smells. Like I said, this is meant to last around 8 hours. That's what they advertise it as, and I'd say it's more on the masculine side rather than on the feminine side. So definitely not unisex. But overall, if you want to try a unique perfume that very few people would have, then I definitely recommend going for this Laboratorio perfume. Definitely give it a go.